came into
Christ Gospel Mission Church. We're supposed to house 4,000 people, take 4,000 people. We had already been arranged. Our healthcare services have already started, but they've come here. You see about 20 to 40 police officers here, lock the gate, say we cannot engage in anything in a church. They let thugs, came here, scattered everything, right? This is a young man that was hurt.
They were with
our
the police.
cameraman. Please tell them what
they were with the police. Do you understand? The thugs were with the police were the one that was guiding them. Do you understand? They were with the police. They busted my hand. Cutlasses, seizing phones, seizing everything, destroying equipment. It's not fair. This is the height of it. I'm a press man. I'm a press person. And this is how they cheat person. They were just destroying, all glasses were just busted just like that.
Meanwhile, at the same time, they are protecting an APC rally that is happening on the site that we had already legally paid for. This is the height of our bureaucracy, and it's going to touch all of us. We cannot be in a democracy where people, instead of delivering good governance, they want to hold power by intimidation, by hurting people, by hitting people, by crushing the spirit of the youth. How is it that young people are going to see this and respect the police?
We are here to receive our teaming new members with particular reference to the labor extraction led by Honorable Rhodes Vivour. And regardless of the intimidation and the challenges that comes with trying to provide a credible alternative to Nigerians and a good opposition governance, as all democracies, we are not in a military government, we are not in a kakistocracy, so we have done what is required of us, and we will continue to do what we should do to provide Lagosians, all Nigerians, a good way forward, a better way to govern, a government for the people, a leadership that thinks of people first, not the elites, that does not do power grabs. And everybody has seen